Hey everybody. My wife and I recently visited the southern end of the Appalachian Mountains in North Georgia, and we stopped in the town of Blue Ridge at a place to have breakfast called the Serenity Garden Cafe. Now, sometimes it takes a little while for me to get these videos made because I take so much footage, but this is the first time we actually have one where the restaurant is now closed and something else is in its spot. But we recorded our experience there, and I think we're going to share it with you anyways, and we hope you enjoy. All right, we're here in Blue Ridge, Georgia. Serenity Gardens is the name of the restaurant. Feeling a little tired today because the dog kept me up in the middle of the night for two and a half hours. So having a good time. We're gonna eat some breakfast here, and then we're gonna head on further. They just brought the food out here at Serenity Gardens. We got a Western Omelet and some Hashbrowns, English muffins, and that's a half order of corned beef hash. Half order on the side, that's pretty big. Comes the omelet. My wife can't see that I'm doing anything. That's a very solid omelet. The peppers and the onions taste fresh. The ham tastes good. Eggs, a little dry, but fluffy enough. It looks like American cheese on top, but it's very flavorful. It tastes okay. Pretty good. All right, corned beef hash on the way. Now see, I like corned beef hash, and that's good. A little bit of crispiness on the very outside of it, but it's just that soft potato and greasy corned beef. Tastes good to me. All right. Try a little bit of these hash browns. We're going to try them without any seasoning to see how they are. Crunchy on the outside, and the potatoes are soft in the middle, but not like wet and squishy. So this is all really good. It's going to be a great breakfast. Very big portion for, I think the omelet and the hash browns were around $10.50, and the side order of the corned beef hash I think was like $5. So pretty good. My wife and I are gonna split it, and it's gonna be plenty. All right, Serenity Garden Cafe, Blue Ridge, Georgia. Pretty good for breakfast. They do lunch and dinner too.